What's up, internet? It's Boxing Day today, so taking boxes off. Lane leaves tomorrow for work, so we're gonna try and get this hopefully down to frame today. It shouldn't take us too long. That box is already busted the box frame. Me and Lane should be able to lift that by ourselves. We got lifts up. Gonna get them wired in early next week. And yeah. Gonna get this down as much as possible. Do a bunch of ordering for some stuff. Test fit the LS next week. Probably. I gotta go get it still. But yeah, we feel like we're really behind because it's been like months since we've turned wrenches. So we're trying to get as much done as possible. So that's where we are now. This thing's gonna be fast as shit. Box is unbolted. Pulled the seats out. Starting to gut in here. Excuse me. This truck is so light, and there's so many easy things to come off it. It's so much easier than the Skylark. R.I.P. Chip. It's waiting for Lane still. And we'll rip the box off. Got some more stuff. I think looking at it, probably won't rip the cab off, just to keep things simpler and for ease of moving it around while Lane's gone. I mean, you're just gonna gut all this stuff. It's gonna be a race truck, so it doesn't really matter. So gut it. The LS will fit right in there. We can put the trans in from underneath with that. So we'll just work with the engine at first. Figure out where turb skis and intercoolers and all that stuff sit. Hi, Lane.
Hi. Stripping.
We got the box off, didn't film because our hands were full. But like, I don't know what we got. 15 minutes in the cab of stripping?
Yeah. Suit way simpler than Chip was.
R.I.P.
Rest easy in Manitoba, buddy.
Yeah. Up dash out. That was a task and a half. Get rid of this box. Put a dash bar in with the cage.
Get rid of this pedal.
Get rid of the man pedal.
Get rid of that.
Hood pins only.
Really keep that.
Yeah, absolutely. Sweet.
It's right there. Oh, we might need a longer cable.
Yeah.
So go
Around, yeah. I mean, that was a chore. Ford really put these in good.
Yeah. You really gotta work for them. We're probably just gonna take the faceplate off of this and leave all that stuff out.
Yep.
Because for a heater, we're just gonna get one of the little heater boxes, and we'll just build a front cover off of it with a pipe up to the window for defrost.
Yeah.
And maybe one on your feet.
Well, it looks like there's a mouse making a nest in here. I thought it was like destroyed. I mean, it wasn't that dirty, but yeah, there's definitely a mouse trying to make a nest in here. Stick your fingers here. There we go. Now it should come out. Got her, Lane? Ready?
Down, I guess.
I'll rotate a little bit here. There should be that tire here somewhere. Or did I put it back in the truck?
Probably put it back in the truck.
Yeah, it should be okay.
Jesus. It's so light.
Engine's out. Look at them tiny little manifolds.
We got our new welder. I bought a Everlast TIG 200. It's the AC/DC one. It's got all sorts of fancy settings. It seems to be like the most raved about budget TIG welder you can find. So we'll see what this thing's all about. This is all just attachments and handles. It comes with some consumables, torch, ground clamp. It does stick welding too, so that might be a little bit handy sometimes. Quicker, simpler stuff. Regulator. It does 120 and 240, so it's got an adapter cord, foot pedal, and then the main event. The machine itself. We're gonna have to get another welding table, or welding, or we could just mount this to the table. But yeah, it seems all the reviews online were really good for this thing. Seems a lot of guys are using them. You see a lot of guys with them. So that's it. Cheap too. We got it on sale. They had $1,600, which is pretty hard to find. So stoked on that. It's gonna be a learning curve though. Teaching myself to use another type of welding that I've never ever done before. So I'm gonna spend a lot of time practicing doing my thing around here.
That's it for today. Big start.
Good start. Interior stripped. Should be ready for an LS in no time.
Yeah. Say bye to Lane. Bye, Lane.
I'm gone for 2 weeks.
I'm gonna be all lonely by myself.
Bigger picture.
Yeah. So this week you will see me and electricians and stuff. And organize and maybe some lights. Oh, more lights. Always need more lights.
More lights for sure.
Love you, bye.